Welcome back in. It's time for Motivation Monday. What does it have to do with magicians? Here to talk more about that is leadership trainer, author, public speaker Pete Blank. Good to see you this morning.
What's up?
I'm doing well. Do you know any magic tricks, by the way?
I don't know any magic tricks. No, zero.
Now, Mickey does. Mickey Ferguson does. All right, so tell us, though, what does this have to do with Motivation Monday?
Well, there's this whole idea. I just came back from Disney, the most magical place on earth, and I got to thinking, well, why does Disney have a monopoly on magic? And I started thinking about this idea of being a magician and creating magic for people. When we think about magicians, we think about, pull the rabbit out of the hat of the tricks.
Sure.
But there's a motivational message. There's like a story and an archetype called the magician personality. And these are people who are positive, who can get things done, who think that they can achieve the impossible. So we should try to be the magicians for other people in our lives. So first thing you see there is to believe that anything is possible.
Sure.
Think about a magician going, I can make the Statue of Liberty disappear. I can make this happen. I can make this trend. So you stand back and you're like, what can I do for people in my life? Where they're like, no, Mike, that seems impossible. That seems impossible. And you're like, no, I think I can help you accomplish that. So that's how you can motivate them.
Okay, I like that. And, win-win situations, those are difficult to find.
Yeah, they're hard to find sometimes, but people who have the magician archetype, they're always looking for the positive. Okay. They're always looking for the good things. And so rather than say, well, this is going to lose if this happens, they come back and they go, I got the perfect win-win solution. And so those are the magician type people. But the most important thing about a magician, do you know somebody in your life, Mike, who, let's take an example of getting a restaurant reservation. Oh, they're booked for months out. They're booked for months out. There's no way you can get in there. And then I call Mike and I'm like, Mike, and Mike goes, let me take care of that for you. And like that, he's like, I got you a reservation.
So somehow they get things done.
They can get things done. They've got a personality. They've got connections. They've got relationships. And they got the magician. So again, if you can be that archetype for somebody and say, there's no way I can do this. And you're like, let me take a shot at it. I can get that done for you. That'll help motivate them to be more excited.
Well, since I am not that person, I can do magic in one thing. I can make food disappear. And so we're going to the kitchen next. Thank you, Pete. Appreciate it.
Thanks, buddy.